Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to St. Joseph Academy YouTube channel Ghaziabad. Our today topic is mensuration for class 6th mathematics. In this video, we are going to study about the parameter of a plane figure and area of a plane figure. What is a parameter first? The total length of a bounding line segment or a curves of a closed plane figures is called your parameter. Or we can say the sum of all sides of the plane figure is known as your parameter. Like in the case of a square, you can see we know that a square is having four sides and all the sides are equal. So what will be the parameter of a square? So the parameter of a square will be PQ plus QS plus SR plus RP, or we can say 4 into side as their all sides are equal. Assuming that the square is having the 5 centimeter of line segment. So it means all the sides are of 5 centimeter. So what will be the parameter of square? So it will be of 4 into side, 5 into 4, 20. Same likewise for the rectangle and triangle. Just for finding out the parameter, you have to do the sum of all side or the sum of all side of a closed plane figure. Okay, like here in triangle you can say AB plus BC plus AC. In rectangle, you can say AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So the sum of all side is your parameter of rectangle. Okay, so some are the formulas here, how to find out the parameter of rectangle. See, if the scalene triangle is given there or isosceles triangle is there, okay, where all the sides are different, okay, so you can just simply, you have to do the sum of all sides like parameter of scalene triangle. Here I'm showing you the scalene triangle whose sides are 15, 32 and 34. So you have to just simply add this one, the sum of all side, mention which are the all sides like AB plus BC plus AC. What is an AB is holding a value here in the figure 15, 15. BC how much it is holding 32, 32 and plus AC 34, 34. So do the sum of this all three sides, you will get the parameter of scalene triangle. Whereas equilateral triangle, as we know the equilateral triangles are having the all sides are same. So you can just simply apply the formula parameter of equilateral triangle sum of all sides 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 15, where the 5 is the side of an equilateral triangle showing in the figure. Instead of writing this one, the sum of all sides, we know that all sides are equal. You can simply add this one also. Add like 3 into sides because the triangle is holding the equilateral triangle is holding a 3 side and all sides are equal. So 3 into side, 3 5 ja 15 centimeter. Like this way also you can get an answer. Parameter of quadrilaters. What are the parameter of the quadrilaters? Here I am showing that three quadrilaters over here. Quadrilaters whose sides are not equal. The quadrilaters are those where which having a four sides. Okay. So see, parameter of quadrilaters, sum of all side AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Just do the sum of all side. Here we are having the four side, that's why we have taken four side over here. In the case of we are talking about the rectangle, rectangle will be a sum of all side M plus N, N plus, oh sorry, Mn plus No plus Ol plus Lm. Okay, so according to the property of rectangle, we know that opposite side in a rectangle are equal. Like Mn will be equals to Lo and Ml will be equals to No. So what you have to do, you have to just means we know that opposite sides are equal. So we can keep it like this way also, now that 2L plus B, 2 in a bracket length plus breadth, because we are having the 2 length and we are having the 2 breadth and they are same. So put their values only considering that length is of 15 centimeter and the breadth is of your means ml and no is your 15 centimeter, mn and lo is your 12 centimeter. Just add them. After adding, multiply by a 2. Why we are multiplying by a 2? Because we are having the two sides, two length and two breadth. You will get your answer in a parameter. Parameter of a square, we know all sides in a square are equal. Okay, so you can just simply multiply with the side. Suppose the square sides are given 10 and in a square we are having the four side. 4 into 10 you will get in perimeter of a square. So I hope these formulas are clear to you. Perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Perimeter of rectangle is 2l plus b, or we can say 2 in a bracket length plus breadth. Question based on perimeter. Okay, so this question is given on your exercise 1a, question number 8a part, where each side of an equilateral triangle is given to you 10 centimeter. If its perimeter is equal to the square, we have to find out the side. Okay, so the question is, you are having an equilateral triangle whose sides are given 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. But in the question also it is saying that perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square, and we have to find out the side of a square. So first what we will do, first we will find out the perimeter of equilateral triangle, because according to the question the perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to the perimeter of a square. So first we need a perimeter of equilateral triangle, and as you know the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. So the dimensions of a perimeter equilateral triangle is given 10 centimeter. Put their values in the formula of perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side, 3 into 10, you will get 30 centimeter. Okay. Now according to the question, the perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to the perimeter of square. Means both the plane figure, triangle and square are sharing the same perimeter. Okay, so what is the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 30 centimeter, which means this is also the perimeter of a square also. And the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So 30 equals to 4 into side. Just do the simple cross multiplication and you will get that value, means you will get the side of a square. So 30 divided by 4, you will get your answer 7. Coming to the next question, problem based on perimeter only. The question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 42 centimeter and its length is double to its breadth. Find the length and the breadth of a rectangle. So in this case, when the perimeter is given to you and the condition of the dimension is given to you, so how you are going to find out the dimensions here? The condition of the dimensions is here. The length is means in the question it is saying the length is double its breadth. Okay, so whatever the length is, whatever the breadth is there, the length is double of its breadth. For an example, if breadth is 2, so the length will be a 4. If breadth is 5, so double of 5 is the length will be on 10. So you can see here we are assuming let the breadth equals to x. So here I have taken breadth as an x. So according to the question, what will be your length here? The length will be here your 2x. So the perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into bracket L plus B, where L we are taking as in 2x and breadth we are taking as in x, as according to the question previously we have taken. So just apply the formula of a perimeter of rectangle 2L plus B, put the value of perimeter, put the rest of this value of dimension. Okay. From here, by solving the cross multiplication, the 2 will divide it, perimeter will be divided by the 2 and the sum of the dimensions, then again you have to divide it by the 3 for finding out the value of x. So when you are having the value of the x, in the question they are asking what is the length and the breadth. So put this value of x where we have taken the dimension length 2x and breadth and x. So the length is our 2x. If we will put the value of x here 7, so 2 into 7 will become your 14 centimeter, and breadth we have taken an x, so it will be a 7 centimeter. So you can see here we have found it out, the dimension of rectangle length is 14 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. Coming to the next one, area. What is an area? A closed plane figure enclosed a portion of a plane. Okay, so the blue portion you can see it is portion is enclosed. This one is your area. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Area of a square is a square. The all sides of a square are same, so a into a you will do a square. Area of a triangle is 1 upon 2 into base. Base will be this one. Base into height. One other formula is there if you're using a scalene triangle where all the sides are different and you're not having a base over there, so you can miss you over there, you are not having a height, perpendicular height. So over there you are going to use Hero's formula. Hero's formula is where you are finding out the value of s equals to a plus b plus c upon 2 and finding the area equals to under root s in a bracket s minus a in a bracket s minus b in a bracket s minus c. Coming to the next problem based on area. If in the question came, the dimension of a rectangle came and they are asking you about find the area of a rectangle. So as we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. So dimensions are given here. You can see length is 16 whole 1 upon 4. Breadth is 6 whole 3 upon 5. Okay, we will change into the fraction. After changing the fraction, apply the formula area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. The length is 65.4, the breadth is 33.5. Do the multiplication and you will get your answer. Make sure the thing you have to notice here, whenever the parameter is given, there only it is given a single unit because we are adding that all the sides. Here when you're doing the multiplication, so you will get an answer in a meter square or centimeter square. What will happen when in the question the area is given to you and they are asking about the dimension? Like in this question, the area of a square is given 441 meter square. By using this area we have to find out the side of a square. So the formula is length of a square equals to under root area. Put the value of area is given to us 441 meter square. For finding out the under root, you people are not knowing about the division method. So for finding out that under root, take out the factorization of 441. So see here I have taken out the factorization. Dividing by 3 first. Okay, you will get 147. 147 also can go by 3. Again you are getting 49. We know that 7 7 is 49 and 7 1 is 7. Okay, so put it over here and we know for taking out the under root we have to take the pair of means the pair of the number at one time only. So you can see the pair of the number, the 3 is forming 1 and the 7 is also forming 1. So we have taken 3 into 7 and the side came 21 meter. Next question is the perimeter of a square is equal to the rectangle of a length 15 centimeter and breadth 13 centimeter. Find its area. So in the question it is telling that perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of rectangle and find out its area. Okay, so by using this length and breadth of a rectangle, first we will find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle we know 2 into L plus B. So we will solve this one. You will get a perimeter of a rectangle. Okay. But according to the question, if you see, I mentioned here that perimeter of a square is equals to the perimeter of rectangle. So the same perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of a square. Okay. As we have to find out in this question the area of a square, we need the side of an area. So by using this parameter, we will find out the side of a square. So perimeter of a square equals to 4 into side. Put the values here, do the cross multiplication, you will get the side of a square is 14 centimeter. The side of a square is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now what you have to do, just apply area of a square, formula of area of a square in the question they are asking. So area of a square equals to side into side, which is 14, 14 to 14, it will come 196 centimeter square. Coming to the next question, this one is an important question. Listen the question very carefully. The floor of a room of a size is 7.50 centimeter and 4 centimeter, 400 centimeter is to be covered by rectangular tiles of a size 60 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Okay, so we are having one room here. In that room dimensions are given to you is 7.5 meter and 4 meter. Okay, and the tiles dimension is given to you is 60 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So first we will find out the area of a room. So area of a rectangular room, we know that length into breadth, put the values, you will get 30 meter square. So in the question they are asking that the number of tiles requires to cover the floors, means how many number of the tiles we need to cover that floor. Floor area came 30 meter square, but what is an area of a tiles? So for finding out the area of a tiles, we'll put the value of a dimension of tiles here, 60 into 50 centimeter. You will get 3000 centimeter square. But the thing here you have to notice that area of a room is coming in a meter square, and whereas the area of a tiles is coming in centimeter square. So for finding out the number of tiles used in a room, you have to bring this both the units same. So I'm converting the centimeter square into the meter square. So 2 centimeter is there. That's why I have divided by 2 times 100, because we know 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So here 2 times I have divided with 100. I got 0.3 meter square. So 0.3 meter square is the area of a tile. So what will be the number of the tiles used in a rectangular room? So the area of a rectangular room divided by the area of a tile. Area of the rectangular room is 30, whereas area of tile is 0.3. Okay, so divide it, you will get 100 tiles is used for covering the floor of rectangular room. But in the question second part, they are asking, what is the total cost if one dozen tile is cost is 300 rupees? Okay, one dozen means 12 tiles cost is 300 rupees. So what will be the cost of using 100 tiles? So first we will find out the cost of one tile. So the cost of one tile is 300 divided by 12. This is the cost of one tile. And what is the cost of 100 tiles? So we are going to divide it, multiplying by 100. So one tile cost is 300 upon 12, and 100 tiles we have used. So we are multiplying by the 100. So the total cost came 2500. So such type of question will come. The thing is, only you have to understand, you have to learn the formula very carefully, and by learning the formula as well as you know the property of triangle, rectangle and square. If you learn the formula, area and the parameter, you can solve any kind of a question. And the problem you people are facing in that problem sums where you're not getting that point in the question what they are asking. So read the question very carefully, apply the formula step by steps, and surely you will get the answer. This is for in this video only, and I hope you got all the points and make you clear. Thank you.